Hey everyone, welcome back to Shapr3D. So there was a request on Facebook on how to draw a heart. So I ended up deciding to make a video. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's start with two ways to make a heart. Okay, there's obviously more, but let's show you a way. So first of all, what we're gonna do is put two cylinders together by drawing a line across and making it a half circle. Technically, we can continue the loop like that. So either make the half circle, or if you don't want to adjust it, just go straight for the circle, up to you. Then we go ahead and select all of these and exit sketching and use the move tool down in the center. But as you can see, it doesn't want to align there unless you move it first. Okay, so you go ahead and align it with there, or just pro tip, if it doesn't want to align, even if you have everything correct, deselect it, transform move tool, select it, deselect, then put it on the line and then adjust it manually, let's say 45 degrees, and then select it again. And that way it'll align it even if you can't catch on that spot to auto align. But anyways, let's go ahead and revolve that by 90 degrees. And then we're gonna have a cylinder facing 45 degrees south in a sense. And then we're gonna go to tools, split body, and we're going to select it and use that green plane right there, which is the y-axis, and we're going to click done to kind of cut the body in half, right? So let's delete it. Now we have this piece here, and we can transform mirror, double click it, and use this front face to make a copy on that side. So let's go ahead and hide that sketch that we have and extrude those out by 1 inch. In this case, I think it should be enough. We go ahead and click tools, union, so we have those two pieces. Then one more thing we have to do is double click that face and draw a line. And I like to draw right outside of the body. That way it's exact on the grid and I don't have any mistakes, because sometimes you're trying to draw here and sometimes it ends up just a little tiny bit off and you don't notice it until you start seeing errors in your body later. It's better to do this up front and kind of weed out the issues. But anyways, now we go to tools, revolve, select this half and revolve this around the center line. And then as you know, we go to mirror, double click, use the y-axis, click done. And we have a sort of a heart, right? But it's unfinished. We have to union this. And once we have that, we can fillet this by 1. It won't go more because remember, we extruded those by only 1. So this kind of makes that shape. Let's hide the sketches so that we don't see them. Then double click to change the color to red or pink, whatever your heart desires. In this case, I think this is pretty good. So we have this style of heart here if this is what you need. Let me show you a different style which might be more suitable for, like, let's say a candy or something. So we start out, we go on the front face, top right. As you can see, this box, you can either move it manually, or if you just click it, it goes directly to that face. So we go to sketch mode, we go spline, and we have to draw a heart shape. So I think in this case, probably like 2 splines should be good. And let's go ahead and adjust those so we get the shape we want, because our heart has to look pretty, right? So this is way too round. Let's go ahead and squeeze that in a little bit. And that looks pretty good for half a heart. Let's go ahead and use the mirror tool and use this time the Z plane to make a copy on the other side. Now we go kind of move over to the right. We click the right face, and down here we go to sketch mode, and we need to draw an arc this way. So as you can see, our arc is not 180 degrees, and sometimes that's fine if that's what you want. I want exactly 180. So what you have to do is deselect and then select these 2 edges, click lock, and then either move it, or you can just type in 180. And the thing is, if you lock this one, you won't be able to move it. So keep that in mind. You have to lock only these 2. All right, and then finish off your sketch by closing it. And then as you see, it turns blue once it's closed, okay? We exit sketch mode, we go to tools and sweep, and we select our little thing there, click next, and use these heart lines to have an outline of a heart. So for some of you, this might be all if you are hollow, but sometimes you want to have your heart filled. So we're going to go ahead and extrude that, in this case, by 10. And then we click Tools Union to put these two together, because the heart has to have a union, right? And then the finishing little touch, you select these two things, and I think 2.5 is pretty good. And we can change the heart here as well to red, let's just say. And as you can see, this looks pretty cool, and you can make a lot of stuff using this method. So the sweep tool and the sketches combined is a powerful utility that you can use. All right, I hope you guys learned something. Have a happy future Valentine's. I hope you find love in your life. I've found one in mine. I've been married for 10 years, guys. That's crazy. So good luck to y'all. Have fun. Have a happy time. Bye-bye.
Here at Shapr3D, our goal is to inspire and empower you to create your own amazing projects. Please support our work so that we can keep doing it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more.